Expand your world with mBotRanger, the transformable 3-in-1 robot kit you can build your way. Conquer undiscovered territories with LandRaider. Use the digital controls to avoid obstacles. Go, LandRaider! Turbocharge through any terrain. No turf is tough enough to stand up to LandRaider. The transformable mBotRanger 3-in-1 robot kit is constructed from interstellar materials so powerful it's out of this world! Build your mBotRanger in a flash! With a construction time around 20 minutes, you'll be out exploring in no time! Awesome! Transform your LandRaider easily, turning it into the fastest bot around, DashingRaptor! Watch DashingRaptor as it chases anything at the speed of light. DashingRaptor will obey commands, a trusty companion for any adventure. Quickly transform once more to complete the mission with NervousBird. NervousBird never takes a fall, fiercely balancing itself and standing up to the strongest foes. Excellent! The highly advanced but simple-to-use mBlock programming app engineers your mBotRanger kit for the most intelligent, high-speed superbot in the universe! With a powerful mainboard that provides 5 onboard sensors and 10 extension ports, mBotRanger is a perfect tool for teachers. Kick up classroom energy and teach entry-level programming at the same time. Unlock the key to a world of undiscovered territory and feel the power at your fingertips with the transformable mBotRanger 3-in-1 Robot Kit. With unimaginable capabilities, mBotRanger is the perfect companion for at-home play or venturing out anywhere that new tread lies.